The Cooum River originates from Cooum village in Tiruvallur district, about 70 kilometers upstream of Chennai, although its main course begins at Sattarai village, which is 65 kilometers from Chennai. Flowing through Punamalli, it enters Chennai district at Nolambur, meandering for more than 50 kilometers. It then runs for another 20 kilometers through Coimbatore, Aminjikarai, Nungambakkam, Chulaimedu, Chetpet and Egmore. Near Egmore, just before Loss Bridge, the river splits into two, creating the northern and southern arms that meet again before the Napier Bridge, forming the island grounds. The river finally drains into the Bay of Bengal, south of Fort St. George, just downstream of Napier Bridge. The Cooum village in Tiruvallur district has given its name to the Cooum River. This water body played a critical part in the far-flung maritime trade between the Roman Empire, South India and Sri Lanka. It was also considered to be a sacred river. In those days, devotees who visited Thiruvirkolam, Ilambayangkottur and Thiruverkadu used to take a bath in the Cooum River. Once the pride of Chennai, the Cooum has lost much of its natural scenic beauty today. The once beautiful and sacred river has now been totally contaminated due to the outlet of wastewater into the river. The Cooum, once a fresh water source for fishing and boating, is now a drainage course. There are no more fish in the river owing to the pollutants that abound in its water. Under the guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister Puratchi Thalavi Amma, the Cooum River Eco Restoration Plan has been designed to restore the ecology of the Cooum River to its original state by implementing various projects that will enable the citizens to enjoy the scenic beauty of nature, prevent pollution, harvest rainwater, and control vector-borne diseases. An outfall survey reports 101 outfalls which let sewage directly into the Cooum River. To prevent sewage disposal into the river, it is planned to lay interceptors and diversion systems, modular sewage treatment plants, and underground sewerage systems for urban local bodies along the Cooum River. It is proposed to clean up a total of 70,000 cubic meters of solid waste and construction debris all along the river banks. Continuous fencing will be done to prevent further solid waste dumping along the river banks, and waste disposal bins will be provided near the areas exposed to waste dumping. To prevent flooding and to facilitate minimum ecological flow, river channel improvement has been proposed. From Paruthipattu to Chetpet Bridge, desiltation of the riverbed and construction of a baby canal is proposed. From Chetpet Bridge to the river mouth, only desiltation is proposed. In order to keep the riverbanks clear and clean, slum families living on the riverbanks will be resettled and rehabilitated in the tenements constructed by the Tamil Nadu Slum Clearance Board.
அம்மா இப்போ பெரும்பாக்கத்துல எங்களுக்கு நல்ல ஒரு வீடு கட்டி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். ஒரு ஹாலு, ஒரு கிச்சனு, ஒரு பெட்ரூமு, எங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஃபேன் இருக்கு, ஒரு லைட், 2 லைட்டு, அதுக்கு ஒரு 10வது வரை எங்களுக்கு அங்கே வந்த உடனே நல்லா வசதி. எல்லாரும் வந்து எங்களை உங்களுக்கு என்ன தேவை, உங்களுக்கு என்ன இல்லை, உள்ள வந்து லைட் இல்லையா, இது இல்லை, எல்லாமே கேட்டாங்க, ஒன்று தவறாம எங்களை. அது கேட்டது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
For the riverfront development, proposals aim to maintain the connectivity of the river whilst enriching the river's natural charm. The proposals consist of developing more than 9.6 kilometers of maintenance ways, 24 kilometers of walkways, 19 kilometers of cycle tracks, and more than 6,63,788 square meters of bank area in 24 parks. Within these areas, there will be recreational spaces and children's play areas. The project includes plantation of different riverine species along the river banks. In the areas under tidal influence, mangrove, mangrove associates and terrestrial tree species will be planted. With the proposed sanitation solutions, solid waste management, river channel improvement, creation of parks and cycle tracks, plantation along the river bank, the water quality will improve, the diversity of flora and fauna will increase, and the citizens of Chennai will have more space for leisure within a restored river ecosystem that will see new life emerging from the Cooum River. The vision of the Honorable Chief Minister for the eco-restoration of Cooum River is thus steadily translating into reality.